Hello and welcome to the channel, The BI Nerd. In this video, we will learn to make advanced level dynamic scatter chart visual in Power BI. We will make a scatter chart looking like this in just few minutes. Let's look at our data first. We have data from week 1 to week 52 for sales and revenue. Here we have week, country, state, product, sales, cost of product, and revenue. So let's start. Open your Microsoft Power BI canvas. Select and drag the scatter chart icon from the visualization section. Expand the visual by dragging the edges of the visual. We want to make the visual to analyze the revenue data for 52 weeks of data, so I will select and drag revenue to the values field. Next I will select and drop week and revenue to X and Y axis respectively. I will select sales and drop it to the size. This will display the sales data as the size of the bubble in the visual. We are creating a dynamic visual, so we need a play axis. I will select and drag weeks to the play axis field. Now our dynamic scatter plot visual is ready. You can click on the play axis assign and see the visual in dynamic mode. At the bottom, we have the weeks as play axis and as x-axis, and we have revenue as our y-axis. The size of the bubbles displays the sales for that week. Bigger the bubble, greater the sales. This will drill down the data week by week. Now we want to make our visual look pretty, so we will format it so it will be more presentable. In order to do that, go to the Format Your Visual section and select X and Y axis one after another and increase the size of font. Make the font bold and select red color. Now we will format the grid lines, select the line type as solid, select the line color as blue and make the width 1. We also have the option to change our marker or bubble shape. Here we have by default circles or bubbles selected, but we can also make it square, triangle, or any other available shape. I will now change the color of the bubble to red. You can select your favorite color. Next, we will turn on the category labels, increase the size of font, make the font bold and select yellow as the background color. We can also adjust the transparency of the label background. We also have the option to add a picture as a background. I will skip by, you can give it a try. We are now almost ready with the visual. Let's also quickly add a title. Go to General Setting and type in the title. I will type Dynamic Scatter Chart. Increase the font size, make it bold and select the center align option. Next, we will select a background color for the visual. I will select gray and adjust its transparency. Then turn on visual border and shadow options. Now we have our awesome dynamic scatter chart visual with play axis. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and learn about Power BI every day. Check out for more videos like this. At the end of this video,